Alright, hey YouTube. Got something new today. Saw this online and I was just like, no way, I didn't know that they made that in the Slim. So I went ahead and ordered it. Oh, by the way, I'm trying out gloves in this video. Let me know in the comments if you prefer videos with or without the gloves. Grab that invoice out of there real quick. And the invoice was wrapped around that. Yep, it is the one I thought it was, so close up. And I did not pay that much. I believe I got this for about $16. Oh, by the way. Oh no. And good as new. Oh. So it sounds a little bit different. There we go. I think I prefer videos without gloves. Yeah, hang on a second. I got no grip. Let's get you a close-up of that. Alrighty. And yeah, the stamp is, I guess, upside down. Although again, that's not a defect of any sort. I will pull out the insert to show you that it is got that curve that is distinct to the Slims. And there you go. Armor Slim, I guess that's the only way you can tell. It does feel stiffer. Not bad. I wanted a slim one because I'm gonna... Oh, is that catching on the wheel? No, okay. I wanted a slim one because I plan on putting one in like an emergency pack. And I won't be storing fuel in it, but I'll be storing fuel separate in a different container. The idea being that when I do need to use the Zippo and I need to use lighter fluid, I'll be able to use less. I won't need to use as much fuel for a temporary need. So, and there's Ranger bands and other things you can wrap around here to seal the gases in so it doesn't. But wow, that's pretty bad though. Look at the fingerprints. But yeah, not bad. I like it. Shiny. If it gets dropped on the floor in the forest or in the woods, it should reflect light back. Alright.